So this is a look at the Minecraft stuff. This is my second time getting it. So this is the redstone creeper, comes with the box. Now we're gonna go take a look at the Minecraft toys. So that was a look at all the Minecraft toys from the Happy Meal. So I have two of them now. So I have Creeper and then the bigger. But there is quite a few different characters, as well as you can get a different meal which includes different characters. And this set here, it opens to be a block and you get to put these different tiles on the pieces of redstone on the inside. So this is the redstone. You open it up and you put the stickers on it. It also becomes a full cube, and then you can put the creeper inside of it or whatever you want. And then it says a Minecraft movie on it. This is pretty cool. The Minecraft toys are my favorite ones. So there's a few other videos of Minecraft on my channel. Check them out.